guys! So welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday. Kakauwi ko lang galing work. So yan, yung araw natin ngayon. At ako ay 15 weeks na buntis. So, kasi ako guys. So ito yung aking tummy. So malaki na siya ng kaunti. Or I don't know, bloated lang ako. So yan. Yep. So, today is, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming pool reno. Is it like reno or ano lang siya guys? Parang, yeah, it's kind of like that. Pool renovation. Kasi yung pool namin, meron na siyang holes. So, kailangan na namin siyang i-fix at kailangan nang i-paint din. So, yung ginagawa namin ngayon is nag-drain ng water. So, tingnan natin. So, tsaka ko ngayon. Paligo ko lang. Half bath. So, yan. Maririnig nyo yung so, may mga hose dyan. So, siyan. And then, ang ganda outside. It's sunny. So, ito na yung pool namin. So, malapit na siyang mawala yung tubig niya. So, doon yung pump para i-absorb yung water. So, I don't know bakit may kahoy. Para siguro hindi mag-move yung is it? Yung pool. So, dito tayo. So, yun, 6 feet dun, guys. At dito is 3 feet ata. Yan. So, this week is gagawin ito. Lilinisin muna ang pool. Yan. Sobrang dirty. Kasi ka-open lang yesterday. Kasi kinover ito. So yan, that's the update for the pool. Balik tayo tomorrow, guys. Okay, guys. Today is day 2. Okay, ito na yung oops. This is day 2. Yan na, guys. So, wala nang tubig dyan. So, tingnan nyo, oh. So, kailangan siya i-repaint talaga. So, yan na lang yung tubig na natira. So, let's go. So, dito yung aking manilaban. Let's get in day here. Oh my God. So, my husband said para ano daw to. What do you call that? Para, what's this wood for?
Brace the pole so it doesn't collapse in on itself.
Ah. Hindi daw mag-collapse sa nest. Okay. So, yan. Malapit na. Oh my God. This is, 6 feet. Yung lalim na aming pool. So, kailangan itong linisan. So, ano lang to. Pressure lang. Tapos, matatanggal na yung mga dumi. May mga basura. May tubig. Yan. You know how deep this is? It's really deep. So, yan. I'll update you tomorrow. Kasi ito lang naman ang mga ganap for today. And then, yes. It's nice weather, guys. So, it's spring now. Pa-summer na siya. So, this pool should be ready for summer. So, yung color na i-repaint namin is made, ano ba yung color? I forgot. Basta blue siya. It's in the middle of dark and light blue. So, yan. Kasi fade na all. Look at that. Look at the two-tone color over there. So, yan. I'll update you guys soon. Bye! Hi guys! So, we're now on day 3. So, at aking pool ran out. So, let's see kung ano nang nagawa. So, not much actually. And, nice yung weather. So, malinis na. Nilinis ni Mr. Wala na yung mga weeds and dry leaves. So, malinis na ang palibot. And then, so, wala na yung parang dinas nila, I think. So, yan yung pool. Parang nilagyan ng something there. Yung may mga hole, I think. Why, what's this brown thing? What's that brown?
What?
Why they put that brown stuff?
Fillers.
Filler? It's nice. So, dito pala yung mga braces. Ay, ang linis na. Sobrang ganda. So, yan na guys. Day 3.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! So, I'm back. So, update tayo sa pool. So, it is, ano na ngayon? Tuesday. So, it's been a week already since I'm doing the countdown. So, probably hindi ko na i-continue yung aking countdown. Because it was delayed from last week. So, from day 3, nag-stop sila because of the paint. Kasi hindi pa available yung paint. So, yun. Parang, my husband is not happy about it. But, yeah. So, today, let's see. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa labas. And, that looks like a gumamela flower. Is it gumamela? That one there. Ooh, nice flower. I think it's gumamela. I don't know in English what it looks like. So this is just a first coating. So ang ginawa nila yesterday is yeah, it was started yesterday after Tuesday. So hindi na bumalik Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So bumalik yesterday just to do some probably ano ba? Ewan ko, it's not my job. So, yan. So, parang may inayos or something na para maano yung butas. Parang volca seal or whatever they're doing. Kasi, hindi kasi ako nanonood. So, nandun lang kami sa loob ng bahay. So, we just let them do their job. So, ngayon, so we just open the gate. And wala kami dito. So, sila lang yung pumasok sa bahay and do their job here. So, yan. So, I'm wearing this one because it's not summer yet, guys. It's still spring. So, it's still cold. So, yan. I'll show you the pool. So, the color is like medium blue. So, it's like a sky blue, I think. I don't know in the camera, but in person, it's glossy. So, first paint pa lang to guys. First coating. So, tomorrow, I don't know what the color will look like. So, I think the order namin is medium blue. Yeah. Yan. That is the color. So, this is a gloomy weather. So, yan. So, it will look different if may tubig na. So, yan. Can't wait to see the color and na may tubig. So, yan. Ito yung mga paints nilagay nila dyan. So, that's good. Kasi sila lang. So, wala kasi kami. Yung husband ko nag-offshore for a week last week. So, hindi na pwede this week. So, ano na lang. Sila lang gumawa nito. So, yan. This is my update for the pool, guys. So, see you tomorrow for the second coat. Hi, guys. So, today, guys, is Saturday. So, nice yung weather, actually. Yan, super sunny. So, update sa pool, guys. So, nagka-problema kami sa lights. Yung lights namin talaga kasi Na-expose na kasi siya sa sun. So, my hubby bought another one, which is very expensive na lights. So, ito yung binili niya. So, malis muna siya kasi nag-ano siya. Bili siya ng something sa Bunnings, which I don't know. So, ito na yung aming bagong lights. So, yung before, 2 years ago yata yung old one. So, binili namin to online. Since gusto na niya kasi i-fill ng water yung pool. So, bumili na lang siya somewhere. Which is expensive. Pero, wala magawa eh. Kasi wala nang time. So, much delayed para ma-fill yung ng water yung pool. Oh, nag-fill na pala siya. So, actually, pinil niya ng water. So, I didn't know that. So, he started to fill the water. So, yan na guys. So, may tubig na. Magti-tiktok pa naman ako. But anyways, yan, nag-washing ako. You can hear that thing. So, yun dun siya. Naglagay lang siya ng, kasi mainit. So, yan yung ano namin sa pool. Umbrella. So, dun yung lights. So, parang kulang yata siya ng something para i-attach sa lights. So, pakita ko yung old namin. So, yan. Ito pala yung old namin. So, yan. Ito yung old. So, na-expose na at saka nagmo-moist na siya. So, nasira na siya. So, ito yung bago. Yan. Diyan. So, yan. Finilapan na niya ng tubig. So, it's dirty. Not too dirty anyway. So, yan. So, yan yung aming update, guys. So, I think ma-fill na siya. I don't know. Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow ata. Mapupuno na siguro to. Malakas naman yung tubig. So, yan. Tsaka bumili din siya ng salt. Para sa pool. Kasi yung pool namin is salt pool. Yan. Naglagay din siya ng chlorine pero you can taste the salt. So, yan. So, ito muna yung ang aking update guys sa aming pool. So, I will be back later pag na install na yung lights. So, okay guys, see ya. Linis muna ako guys. So, guys, sa lalagyan. So, here's our pool now na may tubig at it's turning green na. Kasi, it took like a whole day para full or 2 days para ma-full yung tubig ng pool. So, since before mag-turn ng green itong pool, so my husband added some salt. What's that? Is that salt plus chlorine? What is it? Just salt.
Chips.
Chips. Salt chips. So 3 bags. It's 25 kilo each. So 75 kilos of salt. Can you eat that? No? put salt.
The way it works. Chlorinator reacts with the salt to produce chlorine.
Looks like you're feeding something in there. Ganda na guys. It's so nice with our new pool paint. Is that it? You gonna add something?
What?
Is that it?
I'll add something else after.
What is it?
Sodium bicarbonate.
So later, my husband will add sodium bicarbonate. What is it in a bag as well? So, okay guys, ito yung aming robot. Pero inalis na because my husband added some ano ba? Salt. So, inalis yung robot. Kasi yung pang ano siya, panglinis sa bottom, panglinis sa pool. So, guys, so this is the final update for the pool. So, ito na talaga. Finish na. So, hindi ko pala pinakita yung second coating kasi, I don't know, probably I missed that one in my vlog. So, ito na yung final coating niya. And then, malinis na yung pool. Kasi, di ba nag-add kami ng salt. So, nilagyan pa ng husband ko ng more salt para yung chlorine level din ay mag-work. So, yan. So, malinis na talaga yung tubig. So, let's check this out. So, yan na guys. So, very clear. Parang gusto ko na mag-swimming. Gusto niya mag-swimming. So, dyan yung aming meron siyang upuan. Tapos may table. Yan. At saka yung ano, diba I told you about the lights. So, nandun na yung lights. Okay na yung lights. It's working. Okay, so yun na yung lights. It's all nice na. So, there's still like bits and pieces of leaves, but it's all nice. Okay guys, that's all for my vlog. So this is our pool and hope you like it guys. This is our pool restoration. Yan. So hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel and please hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking mga vlogs. So guys, this is it. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye!